In this video, I'll show you how to load Apple gift card to Cash App. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. This is where you can connect debit cards and other payment methods to your Cash App account. Next, select New Debit Card, then tap on Link New Debit Card to continue. Now, carefully enter the Apple gift card details. Type in the card number exactly as it appears on the card, then enter the expiration date. After that, input the last 3 digits located on the back of the card, along with the zip code associated with the card. Make sure all the information is entered correctly to avoid any errors. Once everything is filled out, tap on the Next button to save the card to your account. If the details are correct and the card is eligible, it will be successfully linked to your Cash App. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.